My dear friends, Namaste. My name is Siddhartha Krishna. Today I want to speak about Atman. Sage Uddalaka and his son Shvetaketu were talking to each other in the forest, seated under a banyan tree. Shvetaketu was trying to understand Atman, the true nature of the self. He was finding it difficult to comprehend how this tangible universe could come out of something as subtle as infinite pure consciousness. His father asked him to quickly climb on the banyan tree and bring down a tiny little fruit of that tree. When he brought it down, he asked him to open it and look into it and see what he can find. Shvetaketu says, all I can see are many, many tiny little seeds. Uddalaka says, pick one seed and open it. See if you can find anything in it. When he opens the seed, he says, I cannot see anything in it. Then Uddalaka says that it is from this seed that this huge banyan tree has come out. The essence of this seed, which is the very origin of this huge tree, which you can't see because it is extremely subtle. In the same way, this entire universe has come out of Atman, the most subtle essence of everything, the supreme reality. Shvetaketu, this is what you are. Shvetaketu still finds it very difficult to accept that this subtle essence pervades everything. He says that if it pervades everything, then why I can't see it? Father Uddalaka tells him to quickly run to his mother in the kitchen and bring a lump of rock salt and put it into the water. After doing this, he says, now it's very late. Let us take rest and continue our discussion tomorrow morning. When in the morning Shvetaketu again comes to his father says, bring me that lump of rock salt which you had put in water yesterday evening. When he goes to the water and tries to look for that lump, he says, I cannot find it anymore. It's no more there. It's gone. Uddalaka says, are you sure? He says, yes, I cannot find it. Now taste the water, father says. The son says, oh, it's all salt. The salt is there. You just can't see it. You have to engage a very different sense modality to detect it. In the same way, my dear child, Atman pervades everything. This is the supreme reality, the most subtle, most essence of everything. Yet to perceive it, you have to engage a different sense modality. This is what you are. Brahman and Atman, even though they mean the same, Brahman is more likely to be used for infinite pure consciousness, which is pervasive in this universe, while the word Atman is more likely to be used for infinite consciousness, which permeates all living entities. But of course, the Upanishads use both words very often interchangeably. The word Atman has been derived from roots which mean to pervade, to permeate, to be continuously present. Therefore, even though the word Atman means the self, etymologically, it means that which pervades everything, that which permeates all living beings, that which is continuously present in all ever-changing entities. The word Atman in Sanskrit can be used to the essence of many different things. For example, this lamp and this bell, they have different shapes, different names, and they serve very different purposes. Yet both of them have a common essence: brass. In Sanskrit, one could say that brass is the Atman of this lamp, this bell, and everything else made of brass. Atman is the very core, the very essence of the mind and of all thoughts arising in it. It is the true nature of mind. It is the luminous nature of mind. The method to directly experience it is yoga, meditation. Thank you very much. Namaste.